This is also the machine that we recommend the most when you are dealing with pine needles. So gas powered, Honda engine, no extension cords, amazing mobility. You can get 50 feet of hose with this unit. And so we really wanted to just kind of show off our #1 selling unit, which is the SkyVac Interceptor. So we just finished doing this house, average home in North Carolina, a lot of mud, a lot of wet stuff in the gutters, and then on the front side it was dry. All depends on where your home's at and how many trees you got. But we're gonna go ahead, this customer was nice enough, let us dump it here because they've got the same debris here, so they were nice enough to let us do this. So I'm gonna open this up and you can kind of see what we sucked up at this job. And this is our demo unit, so this is a pretty dirty unit, but we use it quite a bit. So it's got mud, it's got everything in there. So that's a good representation of what we just sucked up with this unit. So we're gonna go ahead and dump it, and I'll just set this to the side. And there's nothing to do here. You just simply lift and dump it out. And there you go.